Ever wondered how buttermilk fried chicken is made on a massive scale? From sourcing and marination to coating, frying, and serving, fast food giants like KFC have perfected the process to ensure crispy, juicy, and flavorful chicken every time. Let's look at its detailed process. 1. Sourcing the chicken. The manufacturing process of industrial buttermilk fried chicken starts by obtaining premium chicken products. The food processing industry collaborates with KFC to link up with poultry farms that create chicken products under defined breeding standards, in combination with animal feeding protocols as well as strict processing protocols. The poultry farms establish specialized conditions for rearing chickens to achieve regular growth. The dietary regimen for raised chickens includes grains, proteins, and essential nutrients that support their healthy development. The poultry reaches processing facilities at the appropriate size and weight for slaughter. Then, specialists clean and divide them into standard portions, which include wings, drumsticks, thighs, and breasts. 2. Quality control and pre-processing. After arrival at the processing center, staff conduct multiple safety and freshness tests to confirm the chicken's quality. Quality inspectors first check each chicken piece for signs of deterioration to eliminate those that fail quality criteria. A precise deboning technique maintains product consistency because the resulting cuts need to remain boneless. The chickens are arranged according to weight distribution for consistent cooking, which guarantees fried consistency and a balanced taste for every piece. Accurate weighing helps with protein control, especially for large-scale production. After sorting, the poultry receives rapid cooling treatment for pre-chilling purposes. Efficacious bacterial control through this step extends chicken quality until its subsequent processing stages. The chicken attains readiness for marination after completing the quality control requirements. This preparation method creates improved taste, a soft texture, and increased moisture content, so the chicken is optimally ready for its next steps, which include buttermilk breading and deep frying. 3. Marinating the chicken in buttermilk. Buttermilk fried chicken production requires marination as an essential procedure because it improves taste and texture. Buttermilk constitutes an essential ingredient in buttermilk fried chicken production because it contains natural acids that dissolve muscle fibers to create tender and moist meat. The buttermilk soak enhances the textural properties of the chicken and creates better absorption of seasoning ingredients, which results in a balanced, rich taste. The systematic execution of marination methods plays a vital role when commercial operations produce large quantities of food together. The marinade consists of buttermilk, along with spices prepared through blending, including salt, pepper, garlic powder, paprika, and possibly secret ingredients. Additional tenderizing agents along with enzymes find their way into some production facilities to improve the texture of their chicken products. 2 different techniques of marination follow marinade preparation for the chicken, either the immersion method or the injection process. Large vats of buttermilk mixture serve as the immersion vessel for chicken pieces, which enables natural flavor penetration during the process. The specialized equipment within the injection method applies pressure to push the marinade directly into chicken pieces, ensuring equal flavor distribution in all parts of the meat. The vacuum tumblers employed by certain industrial facilities both distribute the marinade in equal amounts and accelerate the absorption phase of the process. The marinated chicken requires storage in controlled temperature zones for a period ranging from 4 to 24 hours. The buttermilk, together with spices, will infuse the chicken's tissue during the resting period, making the result both juicy and tender when cooked. 4. Breading and coating process. At the breading stage, the marinated chicken receives a coat with a seasoned flour mixture that creates its trademark crunchy texture. The automated process of food preparation used in the industry provides uniformity and consistency among all manufacturing runs. By using appropriate breading techniques, producers achieve two benefits. Their chicken develops a delightfully crisp texture, and its natural moisture remains inside the meat. To begin the process, you need to drain away all remaining marinade. The chicken rests for a short time to eliminate any remaining liquid after its buttermilk soak. The removal procedure for the marinade serves as a priority step because an excess amount of moisture produces flour clumping, which creates uneven coating distribution. The chicken is then ready for dry flour pre-coating applications. The first flour application develops a base to strengthen the batter and final coating attachment. Additional preparations, such as wet batter dipping, can be used in certain recipes where the dipping mixture typically contains milk, additional buttermilk, or eggs. The wet layer between coatings creates crunchiness and helps the final flour stick better for uniform crust formation. The industrial application process coats the chicken with flour at the final stage. Automation systems that include rotating drums and conveyors function to distribute the seasoned flour evenly on chicken pieces. A mixture of flour along with other spices, including cayenne pepper, paprika, salt, and pepper, makes up the seasoning blend. Automated equipment guarantees complete and uniform coating for every piece, so the combination of seasoning and crunch results perfectly. The chicken is subject to shaking or air blowing after the coating to discard any residual flour. The process prevents the coating from becoming excessive or uneven when frying the chicken. The proper achievement of crispness depends on effective overcoating since it prevents the texture from becoming gummy or doughy. The hand breading method KFC uses in its restaurant does not work in factories because advanced machinery takes over to handle breading operations at a large scale. The automated systems ensure the uniform coating of every piece of chicken so customers can enjoy their expected texture and flavor properties. The standardization of breading enables manufacturers to create substantial amounts of high-quality fried chicken, which becomes ready for cooking and distribution. 5. Pre-frying or flash frying. Large-scale chicken manufacturing companies conduct pre-frying or flash frying operations on their coated chicken before completing its final cooking process. The quality, efficiency, and consistency of the final product depend fundamentally on this critical step. Setting the coating is one main objective during pre-frying operations. A momentary cook enables breading adherence to chicken pieces, whereas they move toward different storage methods and subsequent deep frying. The production procedure guarantees that all items retain their classic crispy texture. Pre-frying results in some cooking of the chicken, which improves the speed of final frying when workers finish preparing it for sale. Cheat codes in the pre-frying procedure enable restaurants to produce food quickly while retaining sufficient cooking temperature across the whole chicken. The main advantage of moisture reduction emerges as a vital benefit. Before commercial frying, the pre-cooking step locks in moisture so it stays intact during subsequent cooking stages. Industrial establishments use large fryers operating in a temperature range of 325 to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 163 to 177 degrees Celsius, for 1 to 2 minutes during pre-frying processes. The company pre-cooks the chicken by frying it before refrigerating, then moving it to new locations where the final cooking takes place to preserve its texture and taste attributes. 6. Freezing and packaging for frozen distribution. Large fast food enterprises such as KFC need advanced freezing and packaging technology to maintain both consistency and quality standards of their buttermilk fried chicken products. The chicken receives preliminary processing steps during which manufacturers freeze specific portions before distributing them to retail locations, thus retaining product freshness alongside flavor quality. The first step of the procedure involves blast freezing technology, which cools the chicken quickly by using powerful air movement systems. This technique helps avoid the formation of damaging large ice crystals. Blast freezing serves two functions. It protects moisture content and maintains the structural quality of the chicken, thus producing tender and juicy results during cooking. The chicken receives vacuum packaging treatment right after freezing to extend its freshness quality. By creating an airtight barrier, the packaging protects the product from exposure to moisture and air, which stops freezer burn formation and extends its survival time in storage. The packaging methods help the chicken preserve both its natural taste and texture for later cooking purposes. After packaging all batches, the system carries out labeling operations along with storage routines. Each package requires labels containing essential information, including product batches, expiration times, and quality control documentation needed for food safety compliance. The stored, packaged chicken remains inside deep freezers until distribution becomes necessary. 7. Final frying at restaurants. KFC, along with other fast food restaurants, uses high-temperature pressure fryers as their final cooking station instead of practicing traditional open frying techniques. Using pressure frying in the preparation process is vital to obtaining KFC's distinct, firm, tender texture. The method retains moisture inside the chicken during cooking, creates a golden crust with a crispy texture, and simulates quick cooking time to minimize oil absorption. The process at the store level follows a standardized approach. Preparation. The chicken is removed from refrigeration or thawed if necessary. If raw marinated chicken is used, it is dredged in a seasoning flour mixture to create an even coating. Frying. The coated chicken is deep fried in industrial pressure fryers at approximately 320 degrees Fahrenheit, 160 degrees Celsius, for 10 to 15 minutes. The sealed environment traps steam, allowing the chicken to cook evenly from the inside while preventing excessive oil penetration. Draining and holding. After frying, the chicken is carefully removed, drained of excess oil, and placed in holding trays under heat lamps to keep it warm and crispy until served. The pressure frying method is essential for KFC to achieve its signature fried chicken texture. Such a cooking method protects tender meat components and delivers a moist interior and a crispy exterior. Fast food chains can provide dependable buttermilk fried chicken through this process, alongside better cooking efficiency. 8. Quality control and serving. Fried chicken undergoes multiple quality inspections to confirm brand compliance for taste quality and safety aspects after it comes from the cooking process. The quality checks determine both the maintenance of product consistency and successful customer satisfaction levels. Visual inspection. Each piece is carefully examined to ensure it has a golden brown, crispy exterior with an even coating. Any undercooked, overcooked, or improperly breaded pieces are discarded. Temperature check. The internal temperature of the chicken is measured to confirm it meets food safety regulations. It must reach at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 75 degrees Celsius, to ensure thorough cooking and eliminate any harmful bacteria. Texture and taste testing. In some locations, trained staff conduct sample tests, assessing the crunchiness of the coating and juiciness of the meat. This step ensures that every batch maintains the expected flavor and texture. A successful quality check leads to immediate packing of the chicken into serving boxes designed to keep it hot while maintaining freshness. Fast food establishments dedicate their attention to creating efficient packaging and serving methods, which guarantee customers receive their food at the correct temperature and texture. KFC and comparable establishments conduct their quality tests diligently, ensuring the delivery of consistently crispy, delicious, and flavorful buttermilk fried chicken for satisfied customers. The industrial production of buttermilk fried chicken is a carefully structured process that guarantees consistency, flavor, and safety. From sourcing and marination to coating, frying, and serving, Every step is designed to deliver crispy, juicy, and delicious fried chicken to consumers. Fast food giants like KFC have mastered this process by combining traditional marination techniques with modern frying technology, ensuring their signature buttermilk fried chicken maintains its iconic taste and texture. Whether freshly prepared in stores or processed in factories for distribution, the goal remains the same: to deliver high-quality fried chicken loved by millions worldwide. If you found this breakdown interesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more behind-the-scenes looks at your favorite foods. Let us know in the comments, what's your go-to fast food chicken spot? See you in the next video.